Mommy say ADOWA.
ADOWA.
Again?
ADOWA.
Oh, nice one.
The Goma people who call it Napatarga.
The English name is Pigeon. Yes, Pigeon.
So it is another episode on Street Food Series. I find myself in another kitchen. I'm going to be doing a special food called ADOWA. So we are going to try ADOWA. Say ADOWA. Hey, wait. Come closer. I say ADOWA. ADOWA. Yes. Okay. What's this?
ADOWA.
Is it the ADOWA dance?
No.
So what's the difference between this and the ADOWA dance?
I don't really know about the ADOWA dance. But I know about this.
You know, when you come to the south, when you hear ADOWA, it's a form of dance, you know, by the Ashantis.
Okay.
Okay, so can I also do some?
Okay.
All right. Hey, but how are you able to put your hand in this hot thing?
But I'm using a calabash.
A calabash, but look at the vapor that is touching my hand already. So why is that you don't put it over there? Hey,
it's okay.
Ooh. Guys, it's not easy. Okay.
Wait.
All right, I'm gonna wait. So, do you use the water to do anything else?
We just pour it.
You just pour the water in. So should I bring the whole bucket?
No, just leave it.
Eh?
It's risky.
It's risky.
Yeah, it's hot.
Oh, but you have.
Can pour on you.
Oh.
I'm used to it.
Me too. I want to be used to it. Oh, let's go. Hey, you see, it almost poured on me. This is our ADOWA beans. I mean, it's hot. But if you take a close look at, ooh, can I eat it right now?
I
can eat it.
But there's nothing there.
But this beans tastes different from the regular beans, you know.
This
Talk to me.
This is not beans.
This is not beans.
Beans is over there.
Beans is over there.
Yeah.
The ADOWA is here.
Yeah.
Okay. Please, when you need something, just tell me so that I can carry it for you. I'm the man for the day, eh? ADOWA. Say ADOWA.
ADOWA.
Take me through the process of how you cook it. Make sure you pick inside the beans first. And then what else?
Prepare your fire.
You prepare your fire, obviously. Yes, we are going to prepare our fire, you know. And then what else?
Salt bitter.
You add salt bitter. Why do you add the salt bitter?
Like to make it like cook fast.
Okay, but is it not risky for you to eat salt bitter?
No, that's why we drain the water.
You drain the water because of the salt bitter. Okay. If you don't want to eat this with the palm soup or the palm oil, what else can you use?
Granite paste.
Granite paste. And how do you do that?
Like you boil it with water.
Okay. What are some of the nutritional benefits of eating ADOWA?
There's protein in it.
There's protein, high protein.
High
protein.
Because there's too much of protein.
Too much of protein.
Meat is also there.
Oh, so you add meat to it? Is it like you do like you're cooking soup? Because you've used the abe. Now you are using meat.
No, the meat is a separate one.
It's separate?
Yeah.
Okay. Some of the benefit of eating ADOWA is it comes with protein, very high in protein, carbohydrate, and vitamin A, especially because of the palm oil they do add to it. According to her, it says that they add the bitter soda there to soften it because this beans is very, very hard and it takes longer to cook, so it speeds up the process of cooking. When they add the bitter soda to the ADOWA, is that should say ADOWA? When they add it to the ADOWA, what happens is it helps you not to get bloated and it helps in easy digestion for the whole beans, you know? Say ADOWA.
ADOWA.
ADOWA. The Goma people who call it Napatarga.
The English name is Pigeon. Yes, Pigeon.
How long have you been doing this?
Since childhood.
Since childhood.
That's my mom's work.
So you took after your mom's work?
She's still there. I'm just helping her.
Oh. What is the future like? Is this something that you are going to do when your mom gets old? I mean, you are doing it now, but you are doing it to help her, right? So are you planning to turn it into a business or something?
Yes.
And so how is the business going to be? Because me, I want to partner with you.
Okay.
Yeah, because I want to be doing the ADOWA. Say Azua.
Adwoa.
Adwoa. So, but I want to be doing that Azua with you. So is there? Are we going to set up a store? Or tell me. Give me some of the future plan there.
It will turn to a restaurant.
A restaurant.
Yeah.
You see what I'm talking about? We are going to have a Azua restaurant. What will be the name of this restaurant? Have you thought of a name?
No.
Oh, come on. I mean, just whisper small into my ear. Come on, just small into my ear.
Maybe.
Hey, the dream is big. Hey, big dream.
Big dream.
I'm doing a local food campaign, and I'm trying to encourage the people who are watching us right now. Look at them. Those who are watching us right now to patronize local food. What is your advice to them in relation to the Adwoa?
We should promote our own foods, like northern food.
Northern food, okay. So if
It's nice.
It's nice, eh? So you give me some to eat.
Yeah.
Say Adwoa.
Adwoa.
The Goma people who call it Nakpatarga. Many people don't know this part about Adwoa.
Okay.
Especially southern sector.
It is my first time hearing about it, seeing it.
But when I cross-check from scientists, Adwoa is a protein food.
Highly in protein, eh?
High in protein food. Adwoa is a high in protein food.
Wow.
Yes, when I cross from the scientists, Adwoa is a high in protein, but many people don't know about it. Only northern sector know about it. And when Adwoa is going to start,
Yes.
Adwoa didn't start about selling like this.
Tell me more.
Adwoa started when farmers were doing it small in their farming.
Okay.
That is why the Goma people will call it Nakpatarga.
Hold on. You said what?
Nakpatarga. We call it
Nakpatarga.
Nakpatarga. Do you know why they call it Nakpatarga?
Tell me.
When our forefathers discovered from Adwoa,
Okay.
they say, oh, we'll put it small in end of our farming. Like when we found 1 acre of land,
Yes.
we'll put it small
Around the farm. Okay.
So when it germinates and do well and we harvest it, we'll put it down.
Okay.
When the rain season ended,
Okay.
and another rain season is going to start, you know, by that time food has finished.
Okay.
Like when we stand in this time, corn is about 3 million.
Okay.
So food is stopped.
Okay.
So our forefathers will be using it, cooking it, going to farm, start farming.
Oh.
So this is how Adwoa starts.
So it was more like a food just to help you
That is it.
manage yourself whilst
Manage
you were.
yourself while when you start farming corn.
Oh.
So immediately this food Adwoa is going to end corn also.
So it's a substitute for
That
corn.
is it. That is it.
Just to help you through the whole drought period.
That's why they call it Nakpatarga.
Nakpatarga.
Yes.
So
Adwoa is a high in protein food, but many people don't know about it.
so at what point did everyone come to accept Adwoa?
That is it. You know, as a majority is growing, population is growing. When it start that way,
Yes.
the way I told you,
Yes.
small. Many people say, then I also will do this in my farm. I also will do this in my farm. I also will do this in my farm.
Okay.
Coming to that, Adwoa has become a large to the northern sector.
Wow. So why is it that it's only in the north and people in the south don't know about it? Do you have any knowledge on that?
Yes, maybe what I will tell is that the northern forefathers started it here.
Right.
But for the corn there, I hope southern forefathers also started corn there.
Okay.
But for Adwoa there, it's here we started generating it.
So when I'm coming to Accra, I'm coming to the south there, I'll go with Adwoa. I'll carry Adwoa and then go and show it to the people in the south.
That is it. It would have been nice that
It
would have been, I would have liked it.
Okay. So
what TV station is this?
So this is going to be on YouTube. Everyone around the world, this is not only Ghana, everyone around the world is going to be watching this.
Okay.
So give them a message right now. Just look at them in the camera and then say what you want to say to them.
I'm advising the whole world. Adwoa is a high nutrition food. If you want, you can cross-check from scientists and see how Adwoa it is. So I advise many people to start chopping Adwoa. Adowa is a high nutrition food.
Okay. Say ADOWA.
Adowa.
Adwa.
The Goma people who call it Napatarga.
The English name is Pigeon. Yes, Pigeon.
Aha.
You know, when our forefathers started it,
Yes.
they just started raw like that.
Okay. They just ate the beans just like that.
Just like that. They just cook it, salt, only with no shea nut
Oil. Okay.
They'll put on it.
Okay.
That's all. But now they make it to be a more nutrition because they'll put fish on it. They'll push groundnut paste on it.
Okay. So fish, groundnut paste.
Groundnut paste, and they'll put cabbage,
Okay.
cucumber,
Hey,
green pepper.
you people are living large here. Oh.
Many people they'll put on it.
Wow.
So now it's even though it's a nutrition food, but it's more
Nutritious than ever. Hey! Guys, you heard it for yourself. If you don't know about ADOWA, this is the best food ever discovered, and I want you to come along, try it. Whenever you visit the northern side, it's one of their favorite food, one of the famous food, and I want us to take this food from the north to the south in every part of the world. It's called ADOWA. Say ADOWA, you know.
The English name is Pigeon. Yes, Pigeon. I prefer people consuming the pigeon pea most because it's very affordable and very nutritious as compared to foreign delicious and these things, other foods. Yeah.
ADOWA is there and this is there.
Okay.
But I'm not a fan of ADOWA, so it's also good. And sometimes when you take it, you don't feel like eating it because you continue taking water until the end of the day. You will not buy any food again.
Okay, guys. So ADOWA is ready, and this is how ADOWA look like when it's cooked. And it's hot, but you eat it with plantain. These are optional. You can take it with plantain. I have a little bit of salad here, which is cabbage, and we call it salad, but it's leaves. So cabbage, carrots, and then a little bit of onion. And this is stew, made to shito. And then so the plantain was fried with shea nut oil or shea butter oil, and this food is so nutritious. Anyway, so this is what we had to go through to get the food ready, but I'm excited that the food is ready and it's time to eat the food. So before I eat it, say ADOWA. Woo. It smells good, tastes good. What I love about this is the fact that it is dominated by the shea butter oil. It has been amazing doing this episode with you. Thank you for watching to the end. If you find yourself any part of this world and you want to try the ADOWA beans, please do your best to get to the market. Just tell them that you want ADOWA. If you know these beans as well and there's another name to it, you can leave that name in the comment section below. But do your best to subscribe. It is a street food series. I'm doing this in every part of Africa, every part of the world. But I'm starting with Africa, so you know how we do it. I'll go back to eating. But bye for now.